Nature is full of surprises. Wild animals are also a part of same. If you spend time with nature, then it is more likely that you might encounter a wild animal attack. The strategy can be different for different person based on the type of animal attack they face. There can never be a single or standard strategy using which one can survive wild animal attack. One can use the best strategy based on the animal they are confronting. So in this video we'll be talking about tips on how to survive some wild animal attack. So let's begin the video. In the case of a dog, if a dog or two dogs are barking or attacking you, try to hold on grounds and shout loudly. Don't turn back and try to run in panic. If pack of dogs are attacking you, then you should need to run for safety. So try to find shelter for safety by finding something which is as above as they cannot reach or climb. Maybe that can be a tree also. With dogs, it is important that you don't bother them. They will not also bother you. But if you try to disturb them, they will try to bark on you or they will try to attack you. To survive elephant attack, stay on ground and shout loudly. Although elephants are very much friendly in nature, but sometimes they may attack. The elephant that attacks are mostly female elephants, as they think that you are a danger to their cubs. When an elephant attacks, you try to know what he or she is trying to say. That means try to read the body language and then don't run in panic. Instead, try to hide yourself behind anything which is big, like tree, house, or rock, so that they won't be able to see you or they won't be able to attack you. In the case of a bear encounter, make yourself appear as large as possible. So when we are talking about bear encounter, try to make yourself appear as large as possible. Also make some noises that can distract them from attacking you by hanging a bell or some drum or by beating the drum, etc. In most of the cases, bear don't attack unless and until they feel cornered or ignored. So try not to make them feel ignored or cornered, then they won't attack you, otherwise they can. To survive lion attack. To survive lion attack, make yourself appear scary and as scary as possible. Don't turn back and don't look away. Try to look into his eyes and make yourself appear big and scary by lifting up your coat or jacket, whatever you have at that point of time. Try talking to the lion in moderately loud tone in a confident voice. Also try to make different sounds as this will confuse the lion and he will start perceiving you as someone who is very much irritating. And lion don't attack a person who is irritating. In case snake wrap around you, protect your ribs. When we talk about snakes, then not every snake is dangerous, but if you will try to catch them, they will try to attack or bite. If a snake is following you, try to stomp. It will confuse them. In case the snake is wrapping around your ribs, try to put across your hand over your ribs in order to protect yourself from choking. If a snake bites you, then don't try to suck the poison by mouth as you have seen in movies. It is a very wrong way. When you see a shark, try to swim calmly towards the shore. There are total 150 types of sharks in the world. Only 20 types of shark attack in general. In order to survive shark attack, make sure there is no blood or urine is present in water when you are swimming, as they can sense it from very far from kilometers. If you see a shark, don't just run away in panic, as they will try to chase you. Instead, swim back to the shore slowly and calmly. That is how you can just survive a shark attack. Otherwise, they'll keep on chasing you and they might attack you. In case of crocodile attack. In the case of crocodile attack, try to run in zigzag manner. These species of reptiles are very much dangerous as they have one of the sharp jaws in the world. If you ever caught by a crocodile, it is not easy to free yourself. but you can try hitting the eyes of the crocodile or scream as loud as possible. If a crocodile is crawling towards you, try running in zigzag manner instead of in a straight line in order to confuse them. If you see a crocodile while swimming, don't panic or try to splash water. Instead, swing quietly to the shore. If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.